And welcome to Replyco. Today we're going to show you how to install Replyco Chat Widget on your Shopify website. To do this, simply go to Tools and then the Widgets. Once in there, either create yourself a new widget or edit the existing widget. So let's assume we are creating a new widget. Obviously set up the color scheme, background color you would like, the position, whichever days are going to be working days for you, set up your working hours, who from your team would be responsible users, give the chat title, introduction message, as well as the messages during and outside of office hours. Once this is done, click Save. Go back to your chat widget, and here in the installation, take the HTML code. To do this, simply click Copy. Now, once this is copied, please go to your Shopify website. In your Shopify website, you need to install this chat widget on every page you would like this chat to be visible. So in order to do this, either contact your Shopify administrator, whoever set this up for you, or try to do it yourself. To do it yourself, you'd have to go into your sales channels, obviously into your store, and then go onto the pages. Whichever page you would like this chat widget to be visible, simply click on this, then switch to HTML code and paste the website. To do this, click Show HTML and paste whatever you have just copied from Replyco. This should look like this. Once done, simply click Save. To view this page, obviously have a little preview. As you can see, your chat is now shown on your website. I hope that helps. Don't forget that you need to install this chat widget on every possible page in your store. Thank you for watching and have a great day.